Some stories stay hidden in the shadows. This one deserves the spotlight. Picture this: Berlin, a park and a young girl in tears. She'd lost her favorite doll. Enter Franz Kafka, the man known for his complex and dark tales, but on this day he became her hero. Kafka told the girl that her doll wasn't lost. It had just gone on an adventure. He promised to bring her letters from the doll, detailing its travels, and he did. For weeks, Kafka wrote imaginative letters, each one a new chapter in the doll's journey. The girl's sadness turned to joy, her tears to smiles. Then Kafka wrote that the doll had decided to see the world forever, but had sent a new doll as a gift. This simple act of kindness showed a side of Kafka few knew, a compassionate storyteller who could bring comfort and magic even in the smallest of gestures. Sometimes the most touching stories come from the most unexpected places.
Thanks for tuning in. Remember to hit the subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and drop a comment below.